Hi, I'm Tom Mott with Rockwell Automation. I'm the global lead for our robotics and motion technology partners. With me is Jerry Perez. He's the executive director and managing team leader of the executive selling team at FANUC. Welcome, Jerry. Jerry, could you tell us a little bit about FANUC?
Sure. So FANUC, America Corporation, we're a subsidiary of FANUC in Japan. We're one of the longest running robot manufacturers in the world, not just in automotive, but general industry. You name it in terms of where there's automation provided today, you'll see FANUC there, either be a yellow robot, a white robot, or one of our CNCs, things like that. Last year, we celebrated the 1 millionth robot that got shipped. And that's a huge, I think, milestone, not just for our company, but even for manufacturers. So that's a little bit about us and, what FANUC does in terms of automation, in terms of robots, CNCs, and just providing turnkey solutions through us or through our large integration partner network throughout the world.
Could you talk a little bit about the unique value that FANUC and Rockwell bring together?
Sure. Two giants. Really, two giants together in the marketplace. And, who better than when you have large providers like us who are developing new tech that the market needs. I think two words come to mind is going to be ease and dependability, right? Repeatability, what's reliable.
Could you peel that down a little bit further and kind of maybe give some examples?
We've seen with the labor shortages that have happened and the skills gap that we've known that's going to be coming for years, right? That skills gap, has landed on our doorsteps pretty much. And, a lot of customers today want easy. So a lot of solutions we're putting together might be ensuring our offline simulation products, our offline programming products, that they're integrated together. So instead of having to work in two different ecosystems, how do we combine it together so a user is easily able to program something offline in our simulation software and just, easily bring up your simulation software and everything talks together. Hardware-wise, we've been utilizing your products in the design of our systems, our Ethernet IP solutions, for example, for standard communication protocols. We have the SIP safety protocol, hardware and software, as a standard option that we have on our robots. So, in the industrial automation control side, it's a pretty much standard product and an option for a lot of our robots today and a lot of the turnkey solutions that we have today. Now, that's stuff we've done. The exciting stuff that's coming up is in the world of, virtual, digital transformation. We were talking about some of the new products and acquisitions that, Rockwell's had and how that's going to, I think, complement a lot of our robot portfolio today. Mobile robotics is a huge topic that we're asked about constantly, and I think we've got some things that'll be coming up this year in terms of some of our announcements we'll make later on in the year of more of our working together in that marketplace, especially with your, the acquisition of ClearPath Robotics and their Automotors product.
Yeah, so certainly that's really rounded out our portfolio as well, and we look forward to continuing the partnership. So thank you very much for joining and sharing your thoughts with the team.
Sure.
Much appreciated.